Kurwase county ya Kisinaro nigaigatie chisukuru cia Narok bachikukwanira igoro yemiroberio eyo egenderete yokwaregania aborokigwa abe grade gia 10 gote class gia 10 kama githuna grade 10 ati chisukuru cia senior schools na chisukuru ya Nyansiongo chisukuru ya Omra ya Nyansiongo chisukuru elia ya Omra ya Nyamira Boys chisukuru ya Nyamagwa negatie chisukuru chinde atwanya bakwaneke na miroberio yo nigagenderete gwikiranu na botutukana bonde bwanzi mboyo gwikira bonaga
tuatwara challenge kuwa samana admission botutukana mbwa metaka wasabe kuri abange n'abari babo teneta abana senjo serikali yango kolega yoka bali batari barimo bana batarusikanije lakini yakite kabagatisika bama mawasabe bagayigorira o admission ikaba buyaka initially ya target no magana makoko kuri bama iro ari confused about the knowledge on what was going to happen and up to this moment around the mbara mabangi bambari batarambu ike kumanyana ngikira ni se grade 10 but intue una bali ntopro tundo prepare kurisiba abana abantu bajya barisiba kurugoro bono bine school ya ito ya masega abana ntanya abana sabini yiboro. And we are expecting more to come by end of this week because our target is 240. We hope they will be coming because when I look at those who have been admitted, still others are calling, they are coming. So let us work on Mbuyana and Tuachaki. Lakini kama ndigereti challenge yake hapo ni ya walimu mromonea Tuachaki ni gani wanabata yobuya. Tuhopeti serikali yetu hapa walimu abuka kwa mimi mono ya technical subjects kwenye tutabuati on Tuachaki. Tukuingicha balimu batara aliko tukupe serikali yetu take step ya kwangu eto abalimu aba kigera abana abasomigo because ya kokoli what is happening right now, that is the major challenge.
Ya Nyansiongo Boys ewa admit abana as a chipadwe chonsi sato ichire STEM, social sciences, creative arts and sports. Wikera litkuria igoro yarenge Jumatatu kwenye tuadmitri abana 473. The capacity ito era abana 1800. But ya kera tokobe kamo abana serikali yatoete na abali babulira mabaga so far ebare 1200. Challenge nene tuarorire neringa abaiburi abango koramba mine getake na mangane school fees. Chipathway chichaito mainly etore STEM science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Talk of pure sciences and technical subjects na wana woodwork, metalwork, home science, agriculture noere, building construction, drawing and design nechine chinyinge. Abali mumbaro na bono murimo building construction bali mumbaro basomi gotambe konye mwalimu drawing and design naro na agriculture na bande but tubwate challenge the government tokunyakira mbuya ngato eto mwalimu electricity ne asa mangana art and sports gato mwalimu music but bado emeremonera anda ere as a pathway area sports, creative arts and sports, bono film, music and dance, turanyora barimu.
I'm the senior teacher of Majinazuri Secondary School. Currently, we have received students grade 10 watu waire abana 315, lakini wikaboneka abana baripotiri bara abana 50. We have received 50 students and garokurgelio korango gocha kwa abana bankurengora on ki tusinyire abana bambaje bekenambe
Diane Mombati Wilfred, the principal of St. John's Boys. Taite ko bali kan mwensi as St. John's Boys. Ko wate kana na admissions cia grade 10 twachagete ko lora abana igoro ba grade 10 bagocha so far goikabona iga titukoria lero dia Jumanne twanyora abana emia lakini ntoroche babwate kurumirwa ao na bange bagocha bakorera na babwati efisi isaine bataka baye wichindaki batebwa kana chinde useba kanenke useba kane in kind pero kende foetero kwata chinko use chibando use chingende esengenjo korona ngo muri bora skali bwo kuri chirupia